fit. This is a Starline Pro on a 2017 Grand Cherokee Jeep. If a thief got the key, went to start the vehicle up, it's not going to start. Whether they got your key, cloned the key, made a new one, the vehicle's just simply not going to start. It's looking for a PIN code or a phone. So for the customer, when they get in it, foot off the brake, double tap the start button, get all your lights on. Once the dash settles, pop their unique code in. This can be totally up to them. For now we have 1, 2, 3. Hear our disarm tone, foot on the brake, start the car and it fires up. If they don't want to do that, they can just have their phone in their pocket, their Bluetooth on, get in, start the car, fires up straight away, disarms, and they can drive off instantly. No need to waste time doing the code. If they want to set their own code, how they'll do that is first disarm the system, hear it disarm, then once the dash settles, obviously we'll press one of these buttons 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cycle the ignition off, back on, we get 5 bleeps. Now we can set a new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3. This can be all the way to 21 presses, totally up to the customer. Once you've set it, we'll get a double bleep confirmation and repeat the code again. Get the double bleep and then the code set, we can turn the car off. So now next time they get in the vehicle, they're going to have to use a new code. Pop the new code in, 1, 2, 3, disarm tone and start. If you want to take this for a service, put it in service mode through the app. It'll stay in service mode till you take it out. So it's just a normal vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Starline Pro on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2017. Thanks for watching.